How to use on this day on Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you know that you have a story that you uploaded 1 year ago or 2 years ago but in exactly this day, then you just have to go to your story. So you can also click on this plus from the right top corner and then from here click to story. So here you have to click on create. And then from here you want to scroll to swipe right. So you will find exactly like this. If you have a story that you posted 1 year ago, it will look just like this. So you have to search for this icon, as you can see, 5 years ago or 1 year ago. So if 1 year ago you didn't upload anything on this day, then that icon will not appear. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.